Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to kind of do like a battle of the eye looks. I wanted to do a classic smoky eye because I think that's one of like the easiest slash hardest eye looks to do, just because you don't need a lot of product, but blending is definitely key when it comes to getting a good smoky eye. So I wanted to show you how to do a classic smoky because I think that that's one that's really popular, and I also wanted to show you how to do this look. You just have to add a few additional products in order to achieve this. Super simple. I'm going to be using the Friendcation palette. This is by Dose of Colors, and also a few other little products that I haven't talked about here on YouTube. I'm really excited for this video. Don't forget to let me know which one you like better. And I did one with black, but you can use brown, burgundy, any deep shade that you want to create your smoky eye. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and now let's jump into the video. Now let's get into this beat. The first thing you want to do is grab your Vichy Thermal Mineralizing water. I'm applying that all over my skin just to give me some hydration because I definitely need it this time of year. The Makeup Forever Hydrating base is what I'm using to prep my skin. I'm going to grab the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation and the Smashbox Stippling Foundation brush and just apply a nice even coverage just to make my skin look perfect. The Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brown Sugar to fill in my eyebrows, just doing light strokes and then flipping it to the other side to give me those little hair-like little flicks. Cleaning up my brow with some concealer and then taking the P. Louise base in number 2 just to apply all over my lid to give me a clean canvas so that my eyeshadow just grabs onto that and looks nice and opaque. Blending that out with a brush. And then taking the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Friendcation palette. The first shade that I'm going to take is Churro on a precision blender brush. This one is by Makeup Addiction, and applying that right into the crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Necessary and I'm going to diffuse that and blend it out so it gives me a really beautiful gradient. Taking the shade Cheens and going right back into that crease area and then blending it out with the Smith 235 brush. The Infallible Paint in shade 300 is going to give me a black base before I go in with the eyeshadow just to intensify that pigment. Taking this black by Pur Cosmetics called Dark Matter, packing that all over the lid and then going back in and just blending it out. This entire look is all about blending. These two shades just to deepen up that crease just a little bit because I want it to look really smoky and sultry and have a nice glow. This orange corrector is just going to cancel out some of my dark circles, and these Jouer concealers are going to give me that full coverage look that I'm going for in shade Butterscotch and Honey. Taking Fix Plus and a Beauty Blender, I'm just going to blend that out so it's nice and seamless into the foundation. The Contour Stick by Pur Cosmetics is the perfect shade. I just love it. Just blend it all out and it just gives me like a subtle contour. And dusting away that extra powder with the Smith 154 and taking this Pur Cosmetics Pressed powder, just going to set the rest of my face. Taking this Laura Mercier Sheer Glow Powder in number 5 and a Smith 151 just to chisel out my cheekbones and add a little bit to the perimeter of my face as well. Little nose contour, and now we're going into blush. This is the Clay palette by Tarte Cosmetics to add a little blush. Setting my face with the MAC's Fix Plus, and now setting my eyebrows, which I always do last, with Girl Boy by MAC. Just gives me that really pretty like auburn shade. I'm taking those same 3 shades that I used in my crease and a little bit of black just to bring the entire smoky look together. Adding Soul by LC Cosmetics to my cheeks to give me some highlights. And this is the first look. This is the classic smoky eye. I didn't add any lashes, but I'm going to add them for the next look. This is what it should look like. And now I'm grabbing Tell Me More. This is my favorite part of this whole look. It's this pigment by Dose of Colors, and just using with my finger, because I think that these work better with your finger. Pressing that into the lid just gives it this beautiful shimmery look. Yes, I'm obsessed. Taking the Milani pigment in Beaming Light and adding that to the tear duct just because I cannot live without a tear duct highlight. The Hank&Henry liquid lipstick in 1985 and chocolate lip liner, which is one of my favorites by LA Girl. I'm just going to start blending those two together until I get the perfect nude lip. Using a flat brush by MAC, blending those two shades together until I'm happy with the result. And here is the final smoky blue look. It's really easy. You don't need that many products. It's all about the blend. So this is the full video, guys, the shimmery eye look. I'm not sure which one I like better. I think that this teal blue shimmery smoke is giving me so much life. So I think this is the one I'm gonna choose for this video. Tell me if you guys like this style, like kind of like two looks, kind of comparing them, or like maybe doing like high-end versus drugstore. That's something that I wanna start doing this year. Let me know if you guys are into those types of videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.